The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Couch Potatoes. Couch Potatoes is opening its Couch Potato North Factory store on August 30th, where a full furniture factory exists inside a 100,000 square foot retail store. Here to tell us more about this incredible feat, first time it's happened in a furniture company, is owner and Chief Inspiration Officer Brian Morgan. Brian, lovely to see you.
Thank you so much for inviting me. I love this network. I love the show.
Oh, well, we appreciate it. I have to say, congratulations, because this is huge. I want to hear a little bit about the new store.
To my knowledge, this is the first time this has ever been done in the United States. You kind of said a little bit in the intro, but we are putting our factory inside the furniture store where you can shop, so you can see furniture that you're ordering today and watch it being built on the factory line. And it's so exciting to just kind of pull the curtain back and let you see how furniture is built, the quality that we put into it, and the care from all of our wonderful work family that they put into every piece.
And I think it's such a good reminder, local, local, local.
Yeah.
You are putting your dollars into the Austin economy. You are supporting people who live here.
Yeah.
What a great way to peel back the curtain. Why'd you want to do that?
Oh my goodness. Our whole ethos, our culture for being in business is to love people and bring comfort. I'll do any job, but I want to love people and bring comfort. And we just love furniture. We believe that furniture kind of brings friends and families together, and it really supports life. Absolutely. And we can't think of anything better to make your home or your apartment welcoming, to also bring a little color to it. We love to bring a lot of color with our furniture that we build.
I was going to say, you brought us some lovely colors today.
Yes.
It was a team of 3 of us laying these out, and these are just such beautiful examples of what you've got. You do both fabric and leather, right? Talk to me about your options.
Yes, let's just start with leather. We use Italian leather, and we build it with leather all the way around the piece. So the best leather that you can buy on the market. I brought one sample in today. And then our fabrics, we love to choose fabrics that are pet, people, and party friendly, because we're Austin, right? We want to make sure that you know what you're getting into. And we couldn't be couch potatoes if it wasn't comfortable.
Right.
So that's why we chose some fabrics today, to just show you a little bit of the variety that we build.
Well, and you say a lot of people nowadays, of course, we encourage them to come out to the store, see the furniture being made. But you say a lot of people are kind of doing the online bit, and you can help them there too.
Absolutely. We kind of start with this, as people go online. Sometimes as a dad, I can't shop till 10 o'clock at night. Mm-hmm. So I'm on the website clicking around, and you can choose swatches to be mailed directly to your home.
Look at this.
Just go on the website, and we do it free of charge. And you can just order whichever ones, click, and we'll just keep sending it to you.
I think that's awesome. And I love, because I've seen different furniture stores do this, that everything's the same price. If you're going cloth, it's all the same price. If you're going leather, all the same price. I think that's wonderful.
Absolutely. No gimmicks, super simple. Our prices are actually the same price all year long, except for holidays. So that's the only thing that we do. And
And then we're in good shape.
Then we're in good shape.
I love it. Okay, I want to ask a little bit about your not only your new space, but when you started building furniture, because actually I think a lot of people will remember you from a while ago.
Yes.
But you guys were importers for a long time, and now you've started making your own, and that's only been pretty recent.
Yes, in 2018, we kind of stopped ordering furniture from all over the world and said, we're going to do something different. We're going to build our own furniture right here in Austin. And we had no people that knew how to do it. We didn't know how to do it. And we took a massive step of faith. We just felt like God just said, let's do this. And so we partnered with some local banks and just said, hey, help us do this. And we bought the equipment before we even had the talent or the know-how. And it's truly been a miracle after miracle of how things have come together. And we survived COVID. We were able to pivot a lot of our team and our company to provide PPE for Austin. And so we just love this city, and we love that our artisans are building comfortable furniture for our city.
That's so cool. Okay, and then not only are we honoring the people who make this wonderful furniture, but you can be honored as well if you purchase a mattress from you. In our last minute, can you tell me more about that?
Yes. So we have the Mattress Hero program. We just rolled out our own mattress line. And so we want to spread the good news of just giving. And we call it the Mattress Hero program because you're the hero. When you buy a mattress, every mattress that's sold, you'll be able to gift one to someone in need, but we take it one step further, Rosie. We ask that customer that bought the mattress to write a personal note to the person receiving it.
It's incredible.
And it just, I don't know, just spreads that attitude of giving.
I can
Love it.
feel it coming off of you. I can feel the joy. I can feel the giving back. I'm
That's
so
cool.
excited for you, Brian. Thank you.
Honored to be here.
It's an exciting time. Make sure to stop by Couch Potato North Factory Store. It opens on August 30th, and they've got some great deals going on, y'all. Learn more about this local business at couchpotatoes.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Couch Potatoes.